to Jhuxtello Itech, your go-to channel for education, tech, and tutorials. Today, we've got some important news for all Government of Ghana employees. The Controller and Accountant General's Department, CAGD, has issued a directive to ensure that ghost names are eradicated from the payroll system. Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to check if you have linked your Ghana card to the CAGD system. As you may know, the CAGD has implemented the No Ghana Card, No Salary policy. This means that all government employees must merge their Ghana cards with the payroll system to receive their February 2024 salary and avoid any other consequential actions from CAGD. Now, let's dive into the steps to check if you have successfully linked your Ghana card to the CAGD system. Step 1. Dial 7119# using your mobile phone. Dial 7119# to access the CAGD merger service. Step 2. Select option 1, Merge. Upon dialing, you'll be prompted to choose an option. Select option 1 for the merging process. Step 3. Enter your SSNIT number. Next, you'll be asked to enter your SSNIT number. Make sure to input the correct information. Step 4. Enter your Ghana card number. Following that, input your Ghana card number. Ensure accuracy to avoid any complications. Step 5. Await confirmation. After entering your details, wait for the system to process the information. If the merger is successful, you will receive a confirmation message either in your email or on your active phone number. Important note: if not merged, act now. If, for any reason, you find that your Ghana card has not been successfully merged with the CAGD system, it's crucial to complete this process before the February salary is paid. Failure to do so may result in not receiving your salary and other potential actions outlined by CAGD. That wraps up our video on the CAGD directive and the steps to check if you have linked your Ghana card to the CAGD system. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow government employees, and subscribe to Jhuxtello Itech for more updates, education, tech, and tutorials. Stay informed, stay connected.